We are proud to showcase our CTKPFD11 professional installation kit for the 2015 onwards Ford Fusion. The CTKPFD11 kit allows you to upgrade your original stereo system to a brand new aftermarket radio, while still retaining your steering wheel controls. We have replaced the aircon controls for a new dual touchscreen unit, which can now alter the fan temperature, speed and orientation. One of the biggest features of the CTKPFD11 is the new configuration menu, wherein you are able to adjust your vehicle settings, which include the time and date, as well as both the distance and temperature units. Within the ITC settings, you have access to a vast amount of options that will alter the appearance and functionality of the dual touchscreen. The CTKPFD11 also supports the English, French and Spanish language. To find out more about our professional installation kits, or more directly, the CTKPFD11, follow the details on screen or head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.